This tutorial is about recoding or reverse coding. For that purpose, the data has already been entered in SPSS from the previous example. Let's just say that the data we have entered, item number 3, is a reverse coded item and needs to be recoded. Reverse coding is a technique used in survey design, especially when working with Likert type skills and feedback service. It involves reversing the numerical value of certain item in a survey to ensure that the respondents are paying attention and to counteract response biases such as straight lining. To recode, the process is go to transform, and we have recode into same variable and recode into different variables, and we are familiar with these options. Personally, I choose recode into different, as oftentimes we forget to label that we have recoded the item or not, and differently worded items would also indicate that the item was recoded to avoid any error in the data processing. So I'll just click recode into different variable, and from the right pane, this is the example from a previously recoded variable. I'll reset this dialog box and enter item number 3 into right pane. Then I have to create a new variable name for this variable, h3. So under output variable, I'll write RH3. R stands for reverse coded. And then if I want to add a label, I can add a label or leave it as it is and click change. The variable h3 will be changed to RH3. Under old and new values, I would choose the old value and the new value. Remember, when recoding old and new value, just to confirm the old and new values, go back to the PowerPoint presentation and see it was strongly disagree to strongly agree. 1 to 5 Likert scale. 1 would be converted to 5, 2 would be converted to 4, 3 would remain 3, and 4 would become 2, and 5 would become 1. There is another example available. When reverse coding, we need to change the order of responses. In this example, totally disagree is 1, disagree 2, neutral 3, agree 4, and totally agree 5 would become totally disagree would be 5, disagree would be 4, neutral would remain the same, agree would be 2, and totally agree would be 1. The same applies here. Old value was 1, that would be converted to 5. I'll click add. The other old value was 2. The new value is 4. Then 3 was the old value, and the new old value is also 3. Then the old value 4 will be 2, and old value 5 would be 1. So 1 to 5, 2 to 4, 3 to 3, 4 to 2, 5 to 1. Ascending and descending orders, and that is how the item is reverse coded. Click continue and hit OK. The output will be generated, and in the data view you can see RH3 as a new variable, and the new reverse coded column for the item number 3 has been created.